Shalom Aleichem. Welcome to my channel. I'm Rabbi Dr. Oluwafemi. Today we're going to be addressing the sixth group in the biblical alphabet division. If I've been following the lectures, starting from the first to the second to the third, fourth, and fifth, today we're going to be addressing the last group in the division of the 23 biblical alphabet consonants. And this group consists of just 3 letters. We have sin, we have shin, and we have the last one, which is to. So we have sin, we have shin, and we have to. And that's the sixth group in the division of the biblical alphabet. Now let's see the first, which is sin. This and this are seen as one consonant. That's one letter. Because when you check, we have the same letter. However, we have different pointings. And as I said, in biblical Hebrew, pointings are very, very important. So now, when you are addressing this is transliterated. That's the English equivalent is X, and it's pronounced as S, as in say. Okay. Now let's have the examples in biblical Hebrew. We have some examples, as in we have Sarah, which is translated as is sin, is long way up, as Kamet. This is Resh, this is Kamet as well. Then we have E. So it is translated in English as Sarah or princess. So that's the first letter in the sixth group of the biblical alphabet. So let's see the second in this group. The second of this group is shin. Shin. As is in the Hebrew name, and it is pronounced as shi, as in sharp. Okay. Now let's have some words in Hebrew. For instance, we have sha, mu, he. So we have Shamuel, and we translated as this shin. We have mem. We have long vowel, that's U. And we have Aleph, we have Siri. That's a short, it's a vowel sound. Siri. Okay, then we have the last one as Lamed. That is Samuel. This is translated this and it means Samuel. Now I said the English equivalent is she. However, in some cases it will be seen as X because this and the first, which is sin, has the same letter. So this could be translated as this or X as this. However, in pronunciation it sounds she. Okay, that's one. Let's have another example. We have shame. We have shame. Shame, as in we have Shem, which means name in Hebrew. It means name. So in this case, this Shem is translated as SH. So there are cases why you have it this way or the single X. Let's see the last one. We have Shabbat. We have Shabbat, which means we have the date. This is dagesh forte, and I mean this dagesh forte addings and also doubles the letter, so it becomes 2. Top B. Then we have the pattern, then followed by to. So we have Shabbat, that means rest, or Sabbath. Okay, let's go quickly to the last on this group. The last is sinners. To. This is the Hebrew pronunciation. This is the name. Now, English equivalent is T or TH. Now, when it's T, it shows that because this is one of the Bigat Kefat letters. I spoke of the Bigat Kefat letters. So this is one of the Bigat Kefat letters, and it has the tendency of receiving a dagesh, which is dagesh nine. So this is dagesh nine. Now, when this dagesh is there, then it addings the pronunciation, so it becomes T. But when it's not there, it becomes T, as in then. This is as in to. We have toy. We have toy. Here we have then. Okay, now let's have the English, let's have the Hebrew words now. So you can see it this way, as in Tom. Tom. Mind you, this is Kamet Atef. You can check my videos on Biblical Hebrew vowels. So this is not the usual Kamet, which is the long vowel A, but this is Kamet Atef. That's why it becomes short vowel. Then we have we have the mem. So Tom, and it means complete or whole or complete. That's one example from Biblical Hebrew. Let's see another example. Let's put it. We have Torah, which means, which we translated as, we have the T is a vowel, that's Olem Wo. That's O sound, it's a long vowel, naturally long vowel. So this is Resh, this is Kamet, that's long vowel A, and this is E. So it is called Torah. So it can be either law or Torah as a name, and that is the tradition, and it's also used for the first 5 books of the Old Testament. Okay, that's the law. So let's see one thing before we wrap up for today. I want to try to show you how you can easily identify these letters. For instance, I said we have just one letter, however, with different pointings. Now, how do you know which one is sin and which one is shin? Now, how you know is this? For instance, this is sin. Sin has its pointing on the left. However, just like this humorous hint, sinners will go to the left hand side. So the left. Now this is sinners shin, because it has its own pointing on the right hand. So that's the easy, very easy way to understand it. And this makes it, this allows the letters to shift. So this sin has its own pointing on the left, because sinners will go to the left, while this has its own pointing, shin has its own pointing on the right. So that's one way to identify and differentiate between the two. And we have another example on as regards, shin and sin now, as in we have Shama, we have Sha, we have Shama. Shama means It's a verb. This is a verb. But it means you can translate it as this. And it means rejoice. It means rejoice.